How to fix AXS Tickets app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. First and foremost, you need to check for the Wi-Fi connection, as this is a solely reason why your application is not working. If that's the case, you can switch into a cellular data or a better Wi-Fi connection, or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. If you are connected to a VPN connection, make sure to disable it and try to relaunch your application in your device. If the issue still persists, there might be because of a bug or a glitch issue. In that case, you can launch your phone settings. In your phone settings, navigate to Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for AXS. Then you need to force stop the application. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This should fix the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. Last but not the least, launch a Play Store or App Store in your device. Search for AXS in the search bar. If you find any of the available update, you need to leave your application for an update. If not, the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.